What up, y'all? Cousin Richie here, back again. It's been a while, and I'm gonna explain that, and I'm gonna tell you why I am in my daughter's room. But nonetheless, back again with another video, another unboxing. So, quick story. Haven't been putting up videos in a while. Not that I've been too busy. I actually have a few new pickups that I've been wanting to do videos on. It's just extremely hard to do a video, especially when you have a kid and I can't find a quiet spot in the apartment, and that makes it difficult. So like right now, I was doing a review, she was napping, and I guess I was too loud. She woke up and I was like, damn, I still gotta make this work somehow. So I mean, to her, she thinks it's a joke. It's funny, right? Hee. It's funny. Yeah. She thinks it's funny, but yeah, that's the reason why. So today, got a new unboxing, of course, all the way from Kanye Land, Adidas V2 Yeezy. This is by far my favorite V2. You may disagree or not, doesn't matter. But this is my favorite V2. And before I get to that, let me just say, I still haven't received my other 500s. I ordered them like back in February. And that's a problem because they release again next weekend, the 14th, worldwide. And I still haven't gotten the ones that I placed back in February. So, yay, we need to fix that, bruh. You know what I'm saying? We need to get that because I'm trying to flip those things. So, yes. Let's get this review. You ready to get it? Yeah? All right, so without further ado, let me present to you my favorite Yeezy V2, and that is the Zebras. Oh my gosh. Look at these bad boys. These are my favorite. You can see here, brand new, stinking new. I'm so excited I got them. They will not be for resale. I'll most likely wear it for sure. I just don't know when. Probably next weekend or something like that. Not sure. So yeah, seeing these in hand, I like them more than I did when I just saw the pictures. Paying attention to the detail, you can see black and white, of course, and there's a white stripe with the Supply 350 and like a blood red. And I doubt the camera could pick this up, but there's another stripe that's like a off-white, which is kind of more towards the bottom of this color. And yeah, inside's white. V2. Size 12, personal pair for your boy. Truthfully though, I did pay resale for these. I got these off StockX, and this is probably my third shoe getting off StockX. Yeah, I actually had a coupon I used and was bidding for a while. You're just doing that because I'm recording and you know that. What are you trying to do right now? You want to get down? Let's get her down. All right, there you are. So, yeah. The second foot looks like this. As you can see, there's the little verified authentic tag from StockX. Again, the stitching is really nice. It's tough. And you know what? It's good to compare. You know, StockX is a great site, but they have been known here and there to have some slip-ups as far as legitimacy checks. So I recommend, if you already have a pair of V2s, a lot of times it works great as far as legit checking, or you can go to like any local like shoe store where you can trade and buy, and a lot of times the guys in there will check for you. Last case, just watch any regular YouTube review on legit checks for whatever shoe you have, and you know, just kind of follow that. You'll be able to tell as well. So yeah, and the shoestrings are not actually like a pure white.
A few moments later.
Of course, that would happen to me. The battery died, so I had to go charge it. I had to take the mic out, and now I don't have a mic. So if the volume is crappy, I do apologize for that. But I think I was talking about the shoestring being like not pure white, but a bit of an off-white. Again, I still don't know if the light can pick that up. And a little tag here, little hang tag in the back, little pull strap. I mean, that's basically it. I just love this shoe, love black and white. Black is probably like my favorite color. I know I'm really plain, but yeah, it's a good shoe. I've been wanting this shoe for a long time, so I'm glad I got it. Let's see. I'll be trying to go after the 500s again next weekend, and hopefully I can get lucky with that. Shadows are definitely a must cop, double cop if I'm able to. And what else? I think the Undefeated, Adidas 4.0. I think the Climate Pack is also coming out, off-white. Don't think I stand a chance with that, but I will enter raffles or whatever have you to get those shoes. And that's basically it. Yes, again, so apologize for having to do this in this room, but Ro, I want to thank you for allowing me to record my review in your room, okay? Thank you. Look, thank you, I appreciate that. Yeah, you were so nice. She was nice. So guys, let me know what you think about these shoes. Leave a comment below. If you like this video, give a like, thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends about Cousin Richie, tell your, I don't know, just tell somebody. And if you guys don't have a problem with this, let me know also, because I may just have to do this. That's why I have so many videos that are recorded in my car, because that's literally the only space that I have that's kind of quiet where I can just do the review and get it out the way. So again, thanks for watching. Me and Ro will see y'all later. Say bye-bye. Say bye. All right.